As the post-gasoline era approaches, startups are moving around the world, and soon Vietnamese automaker VinFast will launch its 2-row, 5-seat vf8 SUV in the US electric car market. It will be joined by the 3-row vf9, which is being reviewed separately. The vf8 is roughly the same size as the Ford Bronco, and prices are expected to be around $58,000. US versions of the vf8 come standard with all-wheel drive and offer 2 battery pack options with a maximum driving range ranging from 248 to 292 miles. Unlike EVs like the Ford Mustang Mach-E or Tesla Model X, the vf8 will require a battery subscription that is not included in the initial purchase price. Like a smartphone, the battery subscription will come in the form of a monthly fee, probably around $35. The 2 plans offered will vary between a limited mileage plan and an unlimited mileage plan, both of which will keep the battery pack under warranty for as long as the customer is willing to pay. While the initial SUVs will be built and imported from Vietnam, VinFast plans to localize production in the US starting in 2024. The vf8 is offered in Eco or Plus trim with 2 different battery sizes. The Eco Enhanced range offers the longest driving range, but the Plus model offers the most luxurious features, including a panoramic glass roof, leather upholstery and second-row captain's chairs. The prices listed above are based on VinFast's latest data on the total cost of purchasing the vf8 and its battery pack, but the company is also planning a unique option that lowers the price of the vf8 but adds a separate monthly cost. Each vf8 uses an all-wheel drive powertrain with 2 electric motors. The base Eco model makes at least 348 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The Zippier Plus model produces 402 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque. VinFast offers 2 rental batteries through its battery subscription service, ranging between a 248-mile standard unit and a 292-mile enhanced range version. Battery size and charging capacity are yet to be revealed, but its Eco battery can fast charge from 10 to 70% in just 26 minutes on DC. The vf8 is a 2-row, 5-seat SUV about the size of a Ford Bronco. That puts it in the electrified space of the midsize crossover and SUV segment, along with other EVs like the BMW iX and Tesla Model X. The vf8 was designed by Pininfarina. Like the Tesla, the devices are focused on the center screen and head-up display. Although the interior is somewhat traditional in style and leans more towards plastics, the large sunroof helps light up the comfortable cabin. The vf8 also uses the rear for additional cargo space when you reach the maximum capacity of the rear hatch area. A huge 15.6-inch dashboard-mounted display serves as an infotainment touchscreen as well as a digital gauge display, with a design similar to that of the Tesla Model Y. The head-up display also projects critical information onto the windshield in front of the driver. Those who don't like the idea of glancing to the right to track speed will be able to access this information instantly. A voice assistant is included that allows users to interact with the system without touching the screen. There are other features to help pass the time while charging, such as onboard video games and an e-commerce service built into the software. All vf8 models come with a comprehensive package of driver assistance features, including some convenience features like automatic high-beam headlights and traffic sign recognition. For more information on the vf8's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key security features include standard automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, standard lane departure warning with lane keep assist, standard adaptive cruise control with lane centering. VinFast says it will offer extensive 10-year/125,000 warranty coverage, which should help allay fears about the risk of buying an electric SUV from an unknown brand. Only the Genesis GV60 comes close to the warranty VinFast promises, with a 10-year warranty policy that extends to 100,000 miles. The limited warranty covers 10 years or 125,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 125,000 miles. Battery components are covered for 10 years or 125,000 miles.